your outdoor cleaning and plant care fast, easy, and efficient with this automatic garden electric water sprayer. Powered by a high-pressure air pump, this versatile sprayer delivers a strong, consistent spray that's perfect for everything from gentle plant watering to powerful car washing. Herb car designed for convenience. The electric pump eliminates manual pumping, saving you time and effort while ensuring steady water pressure. The ergonomic handle and lightweight build make it comfortable to use for long periods, whether you're tending your garden, cleaning outdoor furniture, or rinsing muddy vehicles. With adjustable spray modes, you can easily switch between fine mist and high-pressure spray to match any task. Make every bite perfectly buttery with the butter wheel for evenly spread butter. A smart, mess-free kitchen gadget designed for smooth, even butter application. Upgrade your cooking and serving game with this stainless steel melted butter dispenser and roller. Simply fill it with melted butter, roll, and watch it glide effortlessly over burgers, bread, corn, pancakes. This isn't just a mobile phone stand, it's a tiny power station. Designed with built-in energy generating technology, this innovative stand converts everyday motion, touch, or environmental energy into usable electricity while securely holding your phone. Whether you're working, scrolling, or watching videos, your device gets a steady trickle of this multifunctional folded dual-form decompression gyro gun-shaped lighter, designed with performance, with a clever transforming structure, easily shifts between two poles. Built for the wild and styled for everyday carry, this new butane gas outdoor survival lighter is a must-have tool for adventurers, campers, and preparedness enthusiasts. Crafted with a durable metal body and a powerful windproof torch flame, it delivers reliable ignition even in harsh outdoor conditions. Designed with an inflatable gas system, this lighter offers strong, consistent performance while remaining compact and easy to refill. Whether you're lighting a campfire, bring futuristic energy to your space with the suspended arc reactor, DIY floating and spinning LED. Inspired by sci-fi aesthetics, this eye-catching desktop tech toy levitates, spins, and glows, instantly turning any room into a conversation starter. Why you'll love it: magnetic levitation magic. Watch the core float and rotate smoothly in mid-air for a mesmerizing visual effect. DIY assembly fun. Enjoy a hands-on build that's satisfying for makers, tech lovers, and curious minds. Striking LED glow, bright, even illumination creates a bold sci-fi vibe, perfect for mood lighting or display. Modern black. Meet the intelligent voice dancing desktop robot, a compact, high-energy smart companion that brings your desk to life, designed for fun, creativity, and learning. This robot combines voice interaction, rhythmic dancing, and an offline AI program. Whether you're camping, hiking, backpacking, or heading out for an overnight adventure, the XT2F gives you dependable performance without extra weight. Key features: rocket burner design, high heat efficiency with fast boiling time, stable voltage output. Consistent. Created by Mechanism, this extraordinary piece transforms traditional watchmaking into architectural scale art. Machined from aluminum alloy, brass, and stainless steel, it showcases a complete gear train, escapement, and mainspring barrel, all laid bare for full mechanical appreciation. With 86 precisely engineered components, this movement, it's not just a car air freshener. It's a living piece of art that drifts and dances with every turn of the road. Suspended in motion, it floats effortlessly, turning your drive into a quiet ritual of calm and beauty. With every gentle swirl of mist, get ready for laughs, squeals, and surprise splashes. Open mouth smile, sweat droplets. The popping pimples toy turns silly fun into an unforgettable prank game. Designed to look like a pimple-packed face. That pimple is in a very specific spot, and that's exactly why it's irresistible. This little plaything taps straight into that oddly universal urge to poke, press, and pop. The most satisfying part? That precise moment when pressure meets resistance, and everything gives way with a soft, tactile payoff. It's a mix of anticipation and release. The slow build as you line it up just right, followed by that instant, when it finally happens. It's weirdly calming, deeply gratifying, and a perfect way to zone out for a minute. No mess, no stress. Just pure, button pressing, tension releasing fun that keeps your hands busy and your mind relaxed. One press turns into another, and suddenly you're hooked. Dive into the oddly irresistible world of tactile satisfaction with this uniquely placed pimple simulation. Designed to hit that sweet spot that's just so satisfying. It lets you experience the perfect mix of anticipation and release. As you press, you feel subtle resistance building, teasing you, until, snap, the tension breaks in an instant. giving a surprisingly calming and gratifying sensation. Every press is a tiny victory, a moment of stress relief, and a way to channel fidgety energy into something oddly soothing. Whether you're taking a short mental break or just love the tactile joy of pressing, this simulation delivers an endlessly engaging experience. No mess, no cleanup, just pure popping satisfaction. Perfectly engineered to keep you coming back for more. It's not just a game. It's a mini escape, a tiny meditation, and a strangely addictive source of comfort, all in the palm of your hand.